Okay, good morning everybody. Mike Niemiec here with the Tuesday comments for Grain and Oilseeds on December 3rd. The overnight trade, pretty much steady-ish. Can't really say that we're coming out of our trading ranges right now. We had our commitments trade report that came out last night. We want to say after yesterday's close, we got the software blended wheat traders not long in the neighborhood of around 14,000 contracts, and the corn down around 132,000. And the beans down 59,000. We still have them short in the in the soybean meal down 37,000, while they're still net long 65,000 in the soybean oil. So once again, that trend has been continuing, but I guess the most notable thing has been the fact that the trade's got net short the soybeans. Deliveries, still nothing really new going on in there other than that they've been kind of light, so I want to continue to mention that. I think that the cash movement has been kind of soft. We've kind of gotten through our harvest here in the U.S. Now we're going to go and look and see what happens with South America going forward, and that's where the whole probably bottleneck's going to go and happen going forward with the grain prices. Having said that, we still kind of think that we're still in this range trade between 880 and 970 in the March beans, and 360 and 410 in the March corn. I still think that the RSIs and the stochastics are quite low. I think that we're trying to come out of the hole, so I guess I would want to try and press brakes right now with the farmer not selling. I think we're trying to get a little bit more competitive with the rest of the world. Crop progress came out yesterday. We're 89% harvested with the corn. We're around 96 harvested with the beans. So once again, that's all kind of put away. And then the crush came out yesterday from the USDA. The soybean crush is still somewhat, how do you want to say it? Kind of holding its own, considering where the crushing margins are old. The oil stocks are still somewhat limited, so we kind of still favor the soybean oil over the soybean meal, and we're still watching what's going on with the Chinese as far as their African swine fever goes. And the only other thing I want to go and say is that we saw, as far as registrations go, there was a pickup in the hard red spring wheat registrations, which may keep the spring wheat a little bit defensive versus the winter wheats as far as that goes. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.